Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular laundry solutions, the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Euhomy Dryer. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and user feedback to help you determine which product is the better choice for your laundry needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub offers a washing capacity of 20 pounds, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the Euhomy Dryer has a capacity of 3.52 cubic feet, which can handle about 26.4 pounds of wet clothes. This means that while the Erivess is great for washing, the Euhomy excels in drying larger loads efficiently. In terms of price, the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub is priced at $199, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a compact washing solution. On the other hand, the Euhomy Dryer comes at a higher price point of $369. While the Euhomy offers more features and a larger capacity, the Erivess is a more economical choice for those on a tight budget. Functionality is another important aspect to consider. The Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub operates semi-automatically, requiring users to manually transfer clothes from the washer to the spinner. This can be a bit of a hassle for some. In contrast, the Euhomy Dryer is fully automatic, allowing for a more hands-off approach to drying clothes, thanks to its sensor drying mode and ease of use. In conclusion, both the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Euhomy Dryer have their unique advantages. If you're looking for an affordable and portable washing solution, the Erivess is a great choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and a fully automatic drying experience, the Euhomy might be worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.